Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Shopify pending payment full guide 2025. First of all, go to settings, then select payments and check if your payment gateway is active and correctly set up. Click on the pending order and check if the customer's payment method was declined or needs manual approval. Shopify may hold payments due to fraud detection. Go to the fraud analysis section and review risk factors. If you are using Shopify payments, make sure your bank details are correct and your account is verified. If you are using PayPal, Stripe or other providers, log into those accounts to see if the payment is being processed or needs action. If everything looks fine but payments are still pending, contact Shopify Help Center. And that's it. Follow these steps to fix pending payments and keep your store running smoothly. Thanks for watching.